Hi, thanks for stopping by. You can see it's Sunday, October 27th. I have an Outlook client open here. It is loaded with Atlanta Hawks NBA game data. You can see here on the left, I have loaded 13 events into Calendar Snack. The last one I loaded was for 11/20/24. That was right here. You'll see that I used the create@calendarsnack.com box to send the data to. We ingested that data and now it's in the calendar invite server in which we've built on AWS. So what I'm going to show you here is how easy it is to do. I'm doing these in patterns of 3 just for demo purposes. You can see that I'm going to send it to create@calendarsnack.com, this data for the Atlanta Hawks. And you'll see that it will show up in this panel over here. Now, that was for the 22nd. And that just showed up. I'll just refresh my screen. You'll see it over here. I have 14 events now. The 22nd just showed up there as I highlight it right here. You see that data there. As I slow it way down, the next one will be, scroll, it will be the 25th and the Hawks game schedule. I'm going to click here. I'm going to hit create@calendarsnack.com. That sends the data to AWS and it's disassembled and set up for us to send calendar invites on AWS using your SES account if you have one. If not, we can build one for you. And you'll see that here in a second. I'm going to refresh the screen and it just turned to 15. And the 25th data set off my personal calendar was ingested into AWS. The last one will be right here. It's simple. Take that data, we eat it, disassemble it, and prepare it to be sent on AWS at scale to send out millions of calendar invites. So the 27th, I just sent to the box, create@calendarsnack.com. Should turn from 15 to 16, and there it is right there, 15 to 16. How does this machine work? The quick story is I just sent 3 of them off my personal calendar to the SES box, which was create@calendarsnack.com. This can be your box at your own domain. All it is simply a SES simple email service email box that you define. We can help you with that. If not, if you are an AWS SES customer, you know how to set up this infrastructure. The box contains the data set from your personal calendar. We ingest it with our first Lambda, which disassembles the new calendar invite from the box, SES box. We use off-the-shelf tooling such as SNS SQS and several Lambdas built with Python to extract, transform, and load and store those components into DynamoDB with the correct UID for the organizer and reassemble those when needed on DynamoDB to send out millions of calendar invites to something like your AWS pinpoint list. That's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by.